What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fresh if this is your first time. So today I'll be sharing how to make exfoliating scrub for dark knuckles remover, for black spot remover. Already I've added my sugar in a container and I'll be adding the honey. I'll be adding this quantity into the mixture. This is the quantity I'll be adding. This scrub also can be used as body scrub if you wish, even without applying it on the dark knuckles. It can be used as body scrub with or without some ingredients I'll be adding in this tutorial. It can be used. It's not left for you to add or remove some of the ingredients. After adding sugar and honey into the container, I will be adding green balls. It's called Ghana green balls. So this is what it does. It acts as lightening agent and it's so many more. I'll be adding it to this to make it lighten the black spot, the place as it's exfoliating is also removing black spots. I'm also adding this oil to the mixture. This acts as antioxidant and also helps to moisturize your skin. Now I'm adding soap to the mixture again. This makes it to foam. Add any soap that you want to make it to foam, then stir thoroughly. For the soap that I added black soap. I added organic black soap to the mixture. So stir thoroughly. You can add as much sugar as you want. The sugar in this mixture makes it to exfoliate, while honey acts as a lightening agent. It makes the skin fine and smooth. So these are the mixture that I added. I'm going to scrub my hand. This is what it does. I'm going to scrub it, then add water to make it to foam a little. You can use this to scrub your armpit, your black knuckles, your elbow, any black spot that you notice on your skin. You can use it to scrub your skin twice or 3 times a week for a better result. So I'm going to rinse it out, come back and show you guys what my hand looks like. Yeah, I've washed out my hand and this is how my hand looks like. It feels so soft and smooth. Now I'm gonna apply my oil. It's vitamin C oil syrup. I'm gonna apply it on my hands to moisturize my hand, and yeah, I'm good to go. So leave a comment on what you think about this video and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are visiting for the first time or if you are yet to subscribe. This is how this scrub looks like. So it's very easy to do and you can get the ingredients anywhere. So thank you for staying to this moment. I love you. Bye.